right, so the first thing that we are going to look at is we are going to look at trend. Okay? So again, when we're looking at scatter plots, we're going to be looking at three things. The first of these being trend. The trend of an association is a general tendency of the scatter plot as you scan from left to right. So two variables are going to, we're going to say that they are positively associated. Or have positive trends if whenever the value, whenever the value of one variable increases, so does the value of the other variable. And then we're going to say that two variables are negatively associated. Right. And again, same typo here, that if whenever the value of one variable increases, the value of the other variable decreases. So we're going to take a look at this idea of trend in the pictures below here. So the trend of an association can be positive, negative, changing, or not apparent. So when we're looking at these examples, we could see a few different things as we're going through. Right? So the two scatter plots below show one with a positive trend and one with a negative trend. So we've already kind of mentioned based on our previous example that if we're going up, that this is going to show a positive trend. Right? And if we are going down, as in this case, we see a negative trend. So there's a couple of examples of our positive and negative trend. This is going to tie directly into our idea of positive and negative slope if we are connecting this back to things that we have seen in previous courses. Right, now these two scatter plots, on the other hand, show one with no trend and one with changing trend. This first example is the one that shows no trend. What we have here just kind of looks like a big blob, right? There's not really any pattern or anything whatsoever, so there's no trend here. This one we start by decreasing, but then we change to increasing. So this is going to be an example of a changing trend. Right. So it starts decreasing and then about halfway through changes to increasing. So anytime we see something that looks like this, or maybe it goes increasing to decreasing, what we see here is a changing trend. Right? So we can either have positive trend, negative trend, no trend, or changing trend.